Hi, boys and girls. So we're going to be reading a new story. This one is called Time of Day. So this one is tied in also with your math. So hopefully as you read the story, you can make those connections with what you're learning about time right now. And even a bigger challenge is to start looking at the different times of the day that you do things. Like, for example, what time do you wake up? What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you do your homework? What time do you go to bed? And just keeping an eye on that clock. If you practice using your own life and practice reading the clocks, it will make telling time a lot easier. So let's start our story. Time of Day. Time of Day, written by Keith and Sarah Quarta-Martin and illustrated by Ted Dawson. So written is the author who wrote the story and illustrated is who drew the pictures. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Children wake up and get ready for school. Don't forget to brush your teeth. It's 7:30 in the morning. Children ride the bus to school. Where do you like to sit? Do you see how the hour hand, that's the little hand, is between the 7 and the 8? That's because it's still 7, it's not 8 yet. And the minute hand is touching the 6, that makes it 30. 7:30. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Children start class. What will you learn today? So look at the clock again over here. The hour hand is touching the 8, and the minute hand is touching the 12. So whenever it touches the 12, it's a double zero. So it's 8 o'clock. It's 11:30 in the morning. Children eat lunch. What's your favorite lunch? So again, let's look at the clock. It is between the 11 and 12. That's the hour hand. And again, it's touching the 6 for the 30. So it's 11:30. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Children go to recess. How do you like to play? So there's a different kind of clock. There's a digital clock. And it says 1 o'clock. When you see the 2 zeros, it's o'clock. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Children go home. How long will it take? 3:30. So again, the hour hand is touching between the 3 and the 4. And the minute hand is touching the 6. So that's your 30. So 3:30. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. Children eat dinner. What will you eat? So 5 o'clock. The hour hand is touching the 5. The minute hand is touching the 12. So that makes it 5 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Children finish their homework. What's your favorite subject? So here we go, her digital clock again. 7 o'clock. It's 7:30 in the evening. Children watch TV. What's your favorite show? So here's your digital clock, 7:30. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Children go to bed. Tomorrow is Saturday. What time will you wake up? So you see the hour hand is touching the 9 and the minute hand is touching the 12. So this makes it 9 o'clock. The end. What time do you go to bed, boys and girls? What time do you eat snack? Let me know. Practice. Start looking at the clock. Have fun.